But right before we get into this video, guys, I want you guys to know that the sponsor of this video is Grow Grizzly Beard. It is a company that is on the rise and is helping people with patchy beards grow full beards in less than a month. Their main ingredients are minoxidil, which is great for promoting hair growth, and they use 10% minoxidil in their products. If you're someone that's trying to grow a full beard, I suggest you go on their Instagram page, give them a follow, and their link will be in their bio, also in my description. So go ahead and get your minoxidil beard oil from growgrizzlybeard.com and start seeing results in less than 2 weeks. With that being said, guys, let's get right into this video.
They ain't sick of me rapping. They know that I'm never lacking. You ain't never gotta ask me. I'ma do what I gotta do for the fam. I'ma make it happen. Was on the way out, but I'm backing. Need a new bank account with the cash in it. Hey.
after watching that video, let me know how y'all felt in the comment section, man. Y'all seen that I went down to a no guard open. I didn't want to go close because I didn't want to go too low to the point where I look like I'm actually bald with no hair at all. So what I did was I just did a no guard open and just left my hair a little bit higher. I just wanted to get rid of the waves. Why I did this, because I wanted you guys to see the journey. All right, when I first started with my YouTube channel, you guys didn't see me with no waves at all. So I feel like this will be the opportunity for you guys to see me start from basically nothing to something. And I'm doing this so you guys can follow my journey. I'm doing this for all the beginners that wants to know how to get waves from beginning to end, how to become flawless in a couple of months. I'm gonna make sure I keep y'all in tune with everything that I do. I'm gonna do like an update of my waves every week. So my plans for this journey will be to go on an probably 8-10 weeks wolf. I'm gonna go to 8 weeks. If I see the progress that I'm looking for, I'm gonna cut it down to a 2. I'm not gonna go no lower than 2 because I want to jump right back into another wolf session. So 8 weeks, depending on how I'm looking for the with the 8 weeks wolf, I might either go to 10 weeks or I might cut it down. And I'm gonna show you guys the products I'm gonna be using throughout the whole process. I'm gonna be washing at least twice a week because I gotta take care of my scalp, you feel me? I had a lot of dry scalp during my last waving session, you know, and I wasn't really taking care of my scalp the way I was supposed to. Sometimes I was slack when it comes to washing my hair. I'd be like, dang, it's too much work, because actually washing your hair takes basically all day. Because you have to wait the whole drying process. I don't blow dry my hair. I actually wait throughout the I actually wait 3-4 hours for my hair to dry and then to moisturize and everything. It's a lot of work. That's why some days I just be like, I don't feel like washing today. And that's not good. I need to change that with this next journey that I'm going on. I know 360 Jeezy and Sir Cruz scalp, and they scalp pretty, you know, pretty low. All right, and I didn't want to go as low as 360 Jeezy did, but I'm kind of in the range with Sir Cruz. And I know the person that started this trend was the Baldy Babe. She scalped her head, but I don't want you guys to think that we're following each other. Wavers scalp for different reasons. I'm not scalping because 360 Jeezy scalp. I'm not scalping because Sir Cruz scalp. I'm not scalping because the Baldy Babe scalp. I'm not scalping for none of that reason. I'm scalping for my subscribers. I want my subscribers to see the journey. I want to help people start from nothing to something. I'm not doing it because I want to follow a trend. So before you guys comment in the comment section, I'm doing it because Sir Cruz did it, I'm doing it for clout. No, I'm doing it so I can help you. Now I'm gonna take my hood off to show you guys where I'm currently at with my hair or my waves. I feel like I should have went lower because I still see a little bit of waves, shadows like imprinted on my head, and I just wanted to get rid of all of it. And before I start talking more, I'm just gonna take the hood off, okay, and just show you guys how it looks. Okay, don't laugh, guys. I don't know if you guys can see some waves, but I still got some waves in there. And that was not the goal. The goal was to get rid of all the waves. But the products I'm going to be using are my 2-6 King Wavy do-rags, of course, my 2-6 King Wavy butters and moisturizers and pomades. And the oil I'm going to be using are castor oils. I like castor oil. I love the smell of it and everything. Brushes I'm going to be using, that I don't know yet. I might go back to the original. When I first started waving, I used to use royalty brushes. I might go back to the OGs, you feel me? Might. I don't know yet. When it comes to progress, I want a nice firm brush that's going to actually pull my hair. And that I'm going to search for. And for my crown, I'm going to be using my crown brush by 360 Merch. This is the black edition. Alright. If you guys want to get this brush, use my discount code 360juice to get 10% off this brush. And of course, for my beard, I'm going to be taking care of my beard a lot more because the first week, I'm not going to be touching my head. I'm just going to be washing and just moisturizing because I can't really brush. When I try brushing my hair, it hurts because it's so low to the scalp. I can't really put a brush on my head. The only brush I could probably use is a soft brush. That's not really gonna do nothing. But I'm just gonna wait 1.5 weeks before I actually start putting in the brush work on my hair. But in the meantime, I'm gonna be working on my beard. And this product that I just got in the mail by GrowGrizzlyBeard.com, Grizzly Beard Growth Serum, 10% minoxidil. This video is actually sponsored by them. If you guys want to get this product, helps with beard growth. I don't know if it helps with hair growth, but it does help with hair growth, but it's mainly for beard. So I'm just gonna use it for my beard. I'm not gonna use it for my hair, even though I need to, but I'm just gonna use this for my beard and work on my beard growth, work on taking care of my beard health and everything. If you guys want to get that product, I have my link in the description below. I'm so happy that I got this product, man. Can't wait to see how it works. When it comes to patterns, I'm not really sure what pattern I want to try yet. I don't know if I want to try the swirl or if I want to stick to 360. I really love 360 beehive, man. Like, I just love it. I love the way it looks. The swirl, I don't know. I mean, it might fit me, but I never tried it. It's like, don't hate on something you never tried before. But then again, I'll miss the beehive. I don't want to go into the swirl and turn out not to like it. I don't know yet. I'm still thinking on which pattern I want to do, and you guys can help me out. You guys can drop in the comments which pattern you think I should go for next. I'll come to a decision by next week, because next week I'm gonna start brushing, and I can't just start brushing beehive and then switch to a swirl in the middle of that. That's gonna cause forks. So I gotta pick one pattern and stick to it the whole way through. You guys gonna help me out with that. But yeah, guys, this is a new journey, new beginnings for 360 Juice, and everyone else that wants to join me on my journey. Try to get waves from the bottom. Alright, I'm gonna work with y'all, show you everything I do, how to break forks, how to wash your waves, how to do this, how to do that. Every single thing that you need, we will get through it with this journey. And my goal is I want to get my waves back in at least 3 months. 3 months tops, and that's how long it should take for me to get my waves back if I stay consistent and work hard at it. That's it for this video. If you guys enjoyed, please make sure to leave a like, comment. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to smash that subscribe button for your boy. And as you already know, we got a video waiting for you right here. Click it and go watch. Make sure you have a pen and pencil to take down your notes. Pay attention. Watch the whole video so you can learn something. It's your boy 360 Juice, and I'm out of here. Peace.